Today's review is about the best 4K camcorder on the market. We have researched each and every product very carefully, which is based on customer reviews, price and features of the product. We assure you at all times about the right price and features of the product. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get notifications. Stay with us if you want to know which product will be best for you. Zohilow Video Camera 4K Camcorder. This latest 4K Ultra HD video camera comes with the 4K video resolution, 13MP Sony CMOS sensor, 3.1 inches IPS touchscreen display and 30x digital enhances zoom. It is on and only colorful infrared night version and full spectrum video recorder camcorder of the world. This video camera is benefited with the Wi-Fi and it will help you to remote viewing and download files from the camera to the mobile phones. It has an external stereo microphone. It also gives you the 4K wide angle lens hood, 32GB memory card, 2 camera batteries etc. This video camera has a very premium design and it is much easier to handle. This video camera is also ideal for making moving low angle videos and pictures. Zohilow YouTube blog camera is built with so many amazing features and it is one of the best 4K video cameras right now. Panasonic AC WXF1 4K cinema-like camcorder. This video camera will give you a cinema-like recording experience developed in camera capture and button control option. This video camera is manufactured with the Wi-Fi facilities. It has 24x optical zoom lens and a large BSI O.I.S sensor, so you can capture good videos in the dark. This video camera comes with the 3 optical image stabilization technology, so this video camera is very perfect for any shooting conditions. It also has the HDR movies mode. This video camera also offers you a more natural looking image always. Sony FDR-AX700 HDR Camcorder. It has a 1 X more RS black brightened CMOS O.I.S sensor. This video camera can capture video very fast and also give you a wide coverage view. This video camera also captures video with 4K resolution. It has an instant HDR workflow with hybrid hologram encoding. This video camera has 12x optical zoom lens with a 29mm wide angle. This Sony 4K video cameras will give you a 7.4V battery pack and 8.4V AC adapter. This camera provides you 2 storage for XDCAM and HDHC cards, so you can record lot of videos. This camera's lens can capture a smooth natural adjustment of focus or zoom.